Hello again, this video is gonna be about how to choose a good domain name for your AdSense arbitrage website. I assume you are already picked a niche. Keep in mind the domain name has to be related to your business. This task requires a little bit of thinking and brainstorming before you decide which domain name is a good fit for your niche. Let's say, for example, if you are planning to build a website about pets, cats or dogs, you have to include the keyword cat in the domain name. This helps in a lot of different ways. This way, people know what your website is all about. Your URL is the first thing your visitor will see. A good domain name can make a positive and lasting impression, while a bad domain name can send visitors running. A good domain name is crucial for your business. It's one of the key elements to your business success. It can make you or break you. If you think of the most famous brands around the world, what comes to your mind? Google, Twitter, Amazon, Gearbest, eBay. If you notice, they have one thing in common. They are all easy to type and spell. Now, make sure your visitors can easily type your domain name without a problem. This way, you build brand awareness and people will memorize your website in the future. Hyphens and numbers will make your website a lot more difficult for your visitors to remember, and always stick with the letters. If you want a smooth and punchy domain name, you should avoid using hyphens and numbers. One of the most important things you should consider when you pick your domain name is thinking for the long-term business. Because a good domain name is one of the elements that's going to define your business for years. One more thing I want you to realize is always stick with .com extension. Do not choose weird extension like .club, .shop, .fun. You want to look like a professional. You can also choose your country extension like .us if you are planning to run an arbitrage business in your country. Now, there are a lot of different places where you can buy a domain name, and I'm pretty sure you guys know the two major domain name providers, GoDaddy and Namecheap. I like to use Namecheap for a lot of different reasons. The first one is they provide a wide variety of cheap domain name extensions. I like the GoDaddy. Their prices is a little bit expensive to compare it to Namecheap. And the second thing is I host a lot of websites on Namecheap and I've been using their services for years. I personally use Namecheap and I'm very happy with their services and I've been using them for years. Their site is incredibly intuitive and easy to use, especially on the domain name management pages, which can be incredibly helpful. They offer reasonable priced domains and they have free DNS service, OS protection, and also they offer free SSL encryption. Now I'm gonna go ahead and buy a domain name. I've included a link with this video. Click on it and it should take you right to this page. Now the first thing you need to do is type here in the search box your domain name. I'm planning to build a broad arbitrage website. I'm gonna cover multiple topics. I've already have something in mind. Viral impact.us. I like to use this name because it looks professional, brandable, easy to type and remember. .us is perfect if you are planning to run an arbitrage business in the United States. If you want to target all countries, then .com is the one you should go after. Just ignore all of this stuff here and click View Cart. I'm gonna register my domain name for 1 year, and you can add more years later through your dashboard interface. And all you need to do now is fill this formula: username, password, first name, last name. If you already have an account, just log in here. When you're done, click create account and continue. Next, fill all of this information: address, city, country, your phone number. Click continue. Click continue once again. Now you need to choose your payment method. You can pay using your credit card or using PayPal account. I always pay using PayPal because it's more secure, and if something goes wrong, you get your money back very quickly. If you don't have a PayPal account, just use your credit card or debit card. check out your PayPal, and it's gonna redirect you to your PayPal account. Click login, continue, wait a little bit, and we're done. Congratulations, you just bought your domain name. Now there is one more thing to do. Hover on where it says your username, dashboard, here is your domain name. Now you need to edit your domain name DNS. Click here where it says manage, and change the Namecheap basic DNS to Namecheap web hosting DNS. Save, and that's it. We're done with the domain name.